Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. Today I'm going to talk about how to generate a PO. I'm going to show you how to do it on the iPad and also on the portal. So there is a quick step you'll need to do on the portal before you actually email a PO to a manufacturer. And the most important thing here is to put in your account number. And the second important thing is the ordering email. So this would be the email to customer service. So customer service at graberdirect.com, for example. So you'll need to confirm with your manufacturer the correct email to send a PO. All right, so on the portal here, we would go to orders, and any order, this is important, guys, the status of that order has to say deposit received. If it, and I'll show you here. If the status of the order is deposit received, when you toggle this order review button on, you'll see another button pop up called generate PO. This will generate a PO per manufacturer within your order. As you can see here, we have enabled Alta EDI. You can actually now send orders directly into Alta's Direct Connect via MyBlindCo. And it's broken out here because we're enabling these products on a product by product basis. So we don't have all of them ready yet, but as they get, so the non-Alta EDI enabled are just standard Altas. So let's say I want to create a PO here. I just hit the create PO button, and here's the PO. And and basically you're done. You can hit save. Next thing you know, you'll see that PO in your purchase order list with the status. So in this case, I just created that PO and I didn't do anything else. So if I had sent that PO to Alta, the status would be PO sent. All right, works the same way on the iPad version. So as long as that order has a status of deposit received, you're going to see that button. I'm going to show you here. See how no matter how many times I click on order review, that generate PO button doesn't open up. That's because it's to protect you from placing an order when it's not ready. And usually we don't want to place an order until we receive that deposit. So I'm going to go ahead and manually change that status to deposit received. And you guys can certainly do that and go back in. And now when I click on order review, you see generate PO. All right, so for that EDI enabled POs, when you go to the PO, it will give you another option here to send PO. You can send a PO right from the app, and that will go directly to Alta. And then on the portal version, similarly, just go to actions, send PDF, and this opens up an email where you can verify the customer service email and put in any verbiage. Please accept this PO as an order and enter it in, whatever you want to tell the customer service reps. All right, so that's basically how you create a PO. Now, I always tell people, actually emailing a PO to a manufacturer is completely optional. You can still generate POs and manage the order at a PO level. So to ensure that you have all of your different products ordered, maybe you have an order of lots of shutters and a couple blinds, and it helps you make sure that you don't miss ordering those 2 blinds in the garage, So if you do use the generate PO feature, you can keep track of that. So once all POs have been ordered, then when you go to your order tab, the status says ordered. And so if it says partially ordered, one of those POs have not yet been ordered. So best practice would be you place the order with the manufacturer, you get the email confirmation back, you can go back into that PO, put in the confirmation number received by the manufacturer. You can also put in an estimated ship date and hit save. Coming soon, you'll be able to enter in the cost of the job and even in the number of boxes. So the cost will help on some commission reports that we'll be enabling for you guys. So let me know, guys, if you have any questions on how to generate a PO. Thank you very much.